There we go.
Feel my suck power. That's loud.
If he really wants to give marital advice, maybe he's on to something. We're sucking his eyeballs out? Is this
That's
for kids?
crazy. And she's still up there.
She's either deaf or fed up.
She's like, I hear you, but I need to say
Right. There they go, arguing again. Where's the challenge?
I don't know.
We need something harder.
Who do you want to be? Of course.
Why is she playing with the toys under the table, though?
Dr.
I don't know.
You have to help me now.
There's no one there.
We have to stay together. Mom, Dad, I wish you could be friends again.
Ah! Oh! 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 What is this? Oh, help!
Cody, I'm trying to sleep. Shut up.
Shut up!
Hey, is that you? What? What? Why do you always blame me? Huh? Yes. Why do you always blame me?
What the
Thank
fuck?
you. Oh, now I will help you two to get together again.
Is that Puss in
Together
Boots?
again.
I promise your daughter to fix your marriage. See, love is like a mountain. Oh, look, May, it's Rose. Flowers growing in the ground.
Come on, let's get to her. She must know what's going on.
Butterflies floating in the mountain.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh, there's a bell. Okay.
get it.
Oh,
The hell?
oh, whoa, May,
Oh, they're like little crabs.
What is going on here?
I have no clue. But whatever's going on, we can't lower that staircase without those fuses.
She just knows that.
Will you please focus?
All right. Let's get those fuses.
How do we... Oh, okay, we have to go. Break it, my big ass.
Ah!
See? Oh, double jump? Okay.
I don't like the
You
sound
see?
of that.
Me neither.
Oh, crouch B.
I'll control.
Cody,
Oh, you're on...
I am.
Yeah, I'm on PC.
Oh, I guess at the
will
same
you
time.
please coordinate with me, Cody?
All right.
Cool. Okay, no, I don't think so. Wait, what do we do?
Oh,
Huh? Oh, this thing fast as hell. Okay, there we go. Okay. How'd you get over there? Oh, I died.
I died too.
Whoa! Help!
Whoa!
Here it is.
Wow.
How do I get back?
Hey, May.
That's
See
right.
my flip? Let's do it again.
Oh, it's right here.
We're hunting fuses with legs.
All right, this is the last one. Let's put it in. Oh, perfect.
Let's go.
All that for some stairs.
All that for some. Oh god.
Oh,
Oh, you want to
Keep
get
on
back
popping
to
up.
Rose?
yes.
You want to talk to your daughter?
Yes.
Then you need to climb the vacuum together. Oh, come on. I wonder where that annoying book even came from.
Rose brought it.
Okay, so we can't test that.
Doesn't sound like a book she would buy.
Like potential
Got it.
self-help book you'd buy.
You know,
Yeah,
self-help books are very
we go in here?
important to some people, okay?
Let's get to Rose.
guess we just. Whoa, okay, I died again. Okay, don't go on there, you'll die. But I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay.
Okay, this thing.
May.
No, I died again.
Oh, try not to drop
Jump
me.
in.
Go, go.
Okay, and then what?
Press the button.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
So I think. Yeah, you go through it this time.
Odie,
Okay.
get inside.
Please be gentle.
Okay, and then. So now.
Must reverse.
This way.
Alrighty. Ooh, I'm in the booty hole. Keisha, that's a booty valve.
Okay.
What is that?
But this vacuum got all this.
Got all this, but he said he broken. He said he broken, huh?
No, this is a bit much, Mr. Vacuum.
Go in.
There's somewhere that such a gentleman. Okay. Oh wait, what do you do? Oh, okay. I need to stop this thing. Wait, how do I stop this?
I think you move it.
How, move what? Oh!
Oh, my bad.
That's too far.
I think you move the mouth. Move the mouth away from the fans.
Oh no!
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Oh, all right, we're good.
Cool. Okay.
Shock me.
Shock you? Do I do the same thing here? Then what?
Ooh, we got it. Wow, we're so smart.
Totally.
Now me feeling smart.
I think I'm smart too.
Okay. Oh, crouch. Yeah, crouch again.
It's a booty hole.
Oh, almost died.
We made it over.
Ready?
Oh,
Keep moving.
what is that? Oh. Okay. Oh!
Oh!
Okay.
What did do?
Oh, so 2 to 1? So, I guess one at a time?
Oh! Yeah, okay. So.
Okay.
Oh, shit!
Nice.
My turn. Okay,
Oh, I do
Go.
it? I do it? Ah!
my bad.
It's okay. There we go, nice. Yeah!
Is this a Roomba?
Huh? Oh, I think so, like, similar. Oh!
Look at the noise they make.
Girl, we are all up in this vacuum. It's
We're
good.
all up in this fucking vacuum. We fixing it ourselves
What in
right
the
now.
world?
Oh wait.
Oh, I
think
spin this. Do I
Yeah,
spin
give me. Yeah.
it? Okay, I spin it.
Yeah. Okay. Oh damn.
Oh
Chill,
shit,
chill,
too
chill.
fast. Okay.
Okay. All right. Okay. Stop.
There we go. Okay.
Go. All right, I'm ready. Yeah.
Okay. I was blowing that thing too hard up. Okay, there we go. Huh? Oh.
Oh.
Do you stand on it? Okay. Well, then what? Oh, okay. Oh, shit. I'm late. Okay, I need to
Hey.
hit it, and then you... Okay, got it.
And then you go
Timing.
aim it. Yeah.
Yeah. Aiming it. And then I get sucked up in there, I think.
Yeah.
What in the world?
That
Okay.
vacuum's out of reach. We need to get it down.
There's a Y here. Where is this going?
Oh.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Some more rubbish then.
Okay, I'll go. Oh, I just went in there. Oh,
No, not you. Yeah.
This could totally be a game like and actually like IRL.
Okay, that's all I think.
Oh, we were just trying to get it to lower. Got it. Boss
The
fight.
fuck?
You destroyed my digestion!
We cleaned you out. Okay, what do we do?
How do we?
Huh. Okay.
What do we do?
Oh. Okay, there's a.
Oh, what is this?
Oh, maybe we get on there. And I suck him up.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, get him. Yeah.
Oh, I can't get these. Oh, I can. Okay. I got 3. Shit. This vacuum kind of.
I don't know where we're playing. Is this the Elden Ring?
Right. Vacuum kind of. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh God.
Oh, I got the top.
Oh, come on, Top. We hear you. We love a good time. We love a good time. Oh,
Damn.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Oh God.
I died him.
Oh, I just went through it. Ah, damn it. Okay, so I went through it again. Okay, try not to do that. All right, here we go. Okay. I think we got a hang of
Okay, we
this.
got it now.
Oh, easy. Oh, what's this?
Hey, he stopped.
Time to finish this.
Huh? Am I doing that? Hey, wait.
Kind of.
The eyes?
That's crazy.
We're sucking his eyeballs out? Wild. Is this
That's
for kids?
crazy.
This can't be for kids.
We just sucked the vacuum's eyes out.
For real.
Ah.
Uh,
I'm just saying, if my house had dookie water like this under it,
hello? Honestly, I see why they're getting a divorce. I get it.
same. I can see.
Look, it's Rose.
And she's still up there.
Hey!
She's either deaf or fed up.
She's like, I hear you, but I ain't gonna say shit.
Right. There they go, arguing again.
There they go, calling my name to fix their shit. Who the fuck is that?
I'll take you there if you help
The
me.
fuck?
We can help save your friends, but only if you can get us to Rose over there.
Pull that nail out. We're gonna need it.
Okay, here goes.
Whoa! Where'd it go? Just whistle. Oh,
Wow.
Can you whistle?
Whoa.
I got a hammer now.
we're on my dough.
Don't worry, I'm
Damn.
able to handle
Oh.
Yeah, well, me too.
it. Last time you used
All right,
a
so
hammer,
what do we?
you
How do we do
smashed
this?
your own-
I'm just hammering stuff. Oh, here's a glass. Let's destroy some glass. I'm just gonna destroy more glass.
This is so satisfying.
It is, honestly. Oh, yeah.
Oh, hit this.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Oh, okay, I see. You go hit that on that side.
Okay, hitting on this side. Huh? Huh?
Ooh, nice.
Over there.
I know. I'm trying to figure out how do I get you there.
Okay. Oh, I think, hold on, let me see it again. I think I saw some holes. Oh, okay, so you hole it through there.
Oh, okay. Hit it
Okay,
again.
one more time.
Oh, shit.
Easy. Okay, and then I come on this side, I guess. Oh, you can find a hole.
Stop.
Look at you. Okay, and then what's this thing? Oh, a hammer? Hammer? Oh, okay.
Ready now?
Okay, and
Sweet
now.
moves. I like
Now
your
what?
stuff.
Oh,
Yeah,
nail this
yes.
one. Okay. Yeah, that's how you're supposed to do that. Okay.
My bad.
Alright, okay.
This game brings out the toxic side of me. I see it.
Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay. Whew.
Here's another nail. Let's go.
Oh, here's another one.
Hello?
Oh, I can get out for you.
Bridge, please.
Alright. Now you have 2.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I go here.
Oh. Okay.
Here.
Alright. I'm going down here.
Oh wait. I think yeah, you hit that thingy.
There's another machine in the way here, Cody.
Oh, this thing here.
Oh.
Something happened? There you go.
Oh, there.
Okay. What? Huh.
Be careful now, May.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
got
okay.
it.
Don't screw this.
Oh! Jesus.
Yeah. Cody, don't screw this up.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, just get
Oh, God.
Okay. Okay.
I
How do you do this?
see a hole in the board.
Oh, the hole. I see. I see.
I don't know. But, like, when? I guess before it. I died. Hold on.
I see.
Cool. Alright. Okay. Oh, okay.
Oh, that was safe.
Okay. Alright.
Need you to hit this. Okay, give me a sec.
That makes sense there. Oh!
Nice.
Nice. Okay. 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 There we go. Okay. Is it? How's it? Bro, how? Oh, maybe close to the center now? Okay. Maybe close to the center. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Okay, good.
I'm sorry. That was my bad.
Yes.
I was actually. There we go. Oh, no, no.
Okay.
I was gonna redo it. I was gonna redo it.
It doesn't feel like collaboration. I just have to jump here and then do it. Okay.
Okay.
I'm alive. Oh, okay. I come over here, I guess.
Oh,
Oh,
great.
nice.
Another trust exercise.
What?
Okay. Oh,
You think I'm gonna miss?
I hope not.
what now?
Oh, I go back on the other one.
Oh, this one? Okay.
Jump on that one.
Okay. Ah. Oh!
Oh.
Jesus.
Oh.
Okay.
Jump.
I'll stay on here. Hold the top. Okay, got it. Oh. Okay.
Jump.
We'll jump where?
Up. Can you?
Oh. This one? No, it's too high.
Huh.
This
How do
one's
I?
too high. Oh, go
here, I see,
open
I
it
see.
back up. Yeah, there we go. There we go. There we go. And then whichever one. This one, yeah. Oh. Okay.
You know, you two have pretty good.
Hit the glass. Hey.
Sure.
Sure, she does not love him. That sure was hostile.
Both of you.
That show was like, yeah, whatever.
I don't think it's like that.
Huh? What does that do?
Keep on hitting it.
Keep doing it? Oh, Jesus.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh, the nails. So, ain't a little toolbox.
Real.
They put up for Trump. Okay.
He's getting away. Faster.
Ah, Jesus Christ.
But you're a bit heavy-handed.
Dear God. Okay. Oh.
I'll hit that shit.
This one? Okay. I don't think. Oh, okay, this. Then nail it? I guess.
I did.
You did? Okay.
Yeah, we're good.
Oh!
Bro, you getting stabbed, bro.
In
You
the
getting
back.
impaled.
Oh, I
Damn.
forgot I can run.
Just gonna say, come
Okay.
on, like I'm not
Yeah.
getting impaled.
Yeah.
Don't shoot that.
Oh, you gotta shoot this. Okay, got it.
Alright, try it again.
Yay!
Ah, fuck, I still fell.
Fuck. It's okay, you're good.
What the?
Oh, come on, Transformer. Okay, very much Power Rangers.
Oh. Oh. Bitch.
Oh. Oh, you
Oh,
can
wait.
nail it. There we
I got
go.
it. I nailed it. Go, go, go.
Now what?
The other side.
Do
To the
what?
left, to the left,
Oh, this way? I don't get it.
Girl. Girl, you gotta swing over.
Oh. Oh.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
I'm like, what am I supposed to
Ah,
do right now? Okay, got it. Oh, this one? Okay. Now what? Oh.
Hit that shit.
Okay.
What the hell's he bringing out?
Is that a
The
song?
fuck?
Oh, it's that hole drill thing.
Oh, what the?
I ain't never seen no tool like this before.
What fucking D-Wall is this?
This come from Tesla. What does that even mean?
This that Tesla. Tesla fucking drill. Okay. Oh.
Oh, okay. Okay. Alright. Oh, Jesus.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Alright,
You still
coming
have time.
back.
You can make it over.
Okay. Oh,
Girl.
no, I can't.
I'm so tired of your ass falling. All right. We got this.
Yeah, okay. Let me just get in position now. Alright. Here we go. Here we go. Hey.
Beat his
Oh,
ass.
Jesus
Oh.
Christ.
Oh.
Okay, nice save. Oh.
Oh damn. Oh
Come on,
damn.
acrobats.
Okay. Laura Croft, bitch ass. How do you do this one now?
I don't know. I think we just dodge it right now. Yeah. Oh.
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 Whoa.
Oh.
Insta kill. Wow, that's crazy. Wow, that's what a snake is. Now what?
Oh, right here. Hit it.
Oh, wow. Okay, okay.
Oh.
So I launched you
Okay,
up there.
okay.
That's nice.
That's kind of sick.
Yeah, that is. Did you know that before you did that?
No, I didn't.
That's
I just
crazy.
stepped on it. Oh. Ooh.
Is it cutting in half? Oh, it's cutting in. Oh my god.
Oh god. Okay, we gotta dodge the slaps now.
Yeah.
Oh hell no. Oh.
Oh, oh, here
Oh.
you go. You do it? Too close.
Oh, we need one more.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh no. Are they
Can we
gonna cut it
survive
again?
another one? They
I'm
are.
staying over here.
Can we?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I think it only wants you. Oh, never mind.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Oh, ready?
Yeah.
There we go. Boom.
Hey, look at them.
Oh, wow.
We freed the tools.
Thank you, May. You are a true hero.
Oh, me.
Sebastian, can you help him out? They have to get to the other side.
Wow.
Flexible. Don't worry, he's very precise. Sebastian, sling it.